soon as she's done, I'm gonna have about 15 minutes for her to take off everything and then for me to put my stuff on the demo table. So. Okay, so it is Friday, February 13th. I have a banana. That's good. I made a coffee and it's about 5 a.m. and I am headed to Global TV, their morning show. It's about an hour drive from where I live. So I like to be a little bit early because I don't know if there's gonna be traffic. So I'm gonna get there around 6 o'clock. Today's Valentine's Day crafts, really easy DIY, last minute handmade gifts that you can give to the people that you love. Here's all my things. Change of clothes, shoes. You know, I wear comfortable shoes. It's the middle of winter, so I have everything I need. I'm gonna load this in my car. Okay, so I made it. I am here at Global. It's very dark because it's like 6:10 a.m. I'm taping my segment at 7. So I wanted to get in there and make sure I set up my table and all those things. But it's one thing I like about morning shows. I worked at a morning show for 20 years and I loved the drive-in, zero traffic. There's really nobody on the road, so it's really nice. And you get a nice quiet morning because everyone's sleeping when you wake up. I'm excited. So I'm gonna take you inside. Let's go. There's the iconic moose. That's in front of Global TV. See that. And here we are. Let's go inside. Okay, I have all my stuff. Let's go. Set up my segment there. So something about TV, some stations, like when I worked at City TV, we had multiple demo tables. So people can, set up and we just roll the table. Everything's on wheels, so we can roll everything really fast and move everything quickly. So that's what it's like in a studio. Everything's on wheels. Now, here at Global, they have one demo table available, I guess. And someone just went in. She's doing a baking segment, a Valentine's baking segment. So I have what's called a drop table. And a drop table is you set up your segment as it would look on a demo table. And as soon as she's done, I'm going to have about 15 minutes for her to take off everything and then for me to put my stuff on the demo table. So it should be good because I have everything set up. I'm used to this. I was built for this. I can do it quickly. But yeah, this room is very cold. Feels like a warehouse, but we are behind the studio. So through those doors there, that's where the studio is, where you see like that color green. Global Morning Show actually has a green screen behind. So you can't wear green, you can't bring anything green, no green anything. So I can never bring any green crafts. The green screen behind us is what it is. So it's literally just like studio lights. There's a table and there's just a green screen behind us. So I'll show you when I go in, but that is what it looks like. So now we're gonna wait for her to be done her baking segment and then I'll set up mine. Okay, I'm getting ready. Got these cute jars, little heart-shaped window there. Just use craft paper, yarn embroidered cards, and these fun peel and stick letters on these balloons. Love that. Yeah. Segment went great. I'm just changing my shoes, putting back on my comfortable shoes. Segment went great. It goes by really quick. When you are on live television, you are given a time limit. So my segment was 5 minutes. So you will see someone wrapping up in the background, or, the host will give you cues that it's time to go, or, so you have to be able to ad lib if you need to, change what you're saying if you need to. But it's fun. I did live television for so many years, so I find it really easy to do. But yeah, I'm just packing up now. And my segment in this box. And high heels, got my Uggs, are ready to go. And what's great is when you're leaving the city now, because I'm in Toronto, and going where I live, north, everyone's coming south. So I'm going to go against traffic, so it should be good. My way. So that's it. I'm home now, and I got myself a Starbucks, and now it's 9 o'clock. I feel like I've done so much because I woke up so early. I woke up at 4 a.m. The cool thing about doing morning television is you have the rest of the day to do whatever you plan to do. Feel really productive. Just a little glimpse of what it's like doing a morning show TV segment. I'm going to link the segment right here so you can watch it in its entirety. Yeah, but a lot of fun. I will continue to do more of these because they're a lot of fun to do. So see ya.